Welcome to Homework Lib.
Draw a stereoisomer of trans 1,3-dimethyl cyclobutane. First, let's draw 1,3-dimethyl cyclobutane. So for stereoisomer, we don't change the way, the order in which atoms are connected. We just change position of those atoms in space. So if we flip one methyl group to sixth position, that would be a stereoisomer. That's trans 1,3-dimethyl cyclobutane.